So once you've opened your sheet, you'll get a layer section here that shows you how many layers you have. Once you open the sheet, you'll get one layer. Now to make the design that we're trying to make, we're gonna have to be duplicating our layer to get the different colors. In the backdrop I had, it had gray, white, blue, light blue, and dark blue. So it has gray, white, light blue, dark blue, gray, white, light blue, dark blue, and that's the color that keeps recurring throughout the backdrop. 4 colors. However, because I want to incorporate a different color into my decor, I'm also going to be incorporating that color in this paper, in the space of the gray. So my paper still has 4 colors, but instead of this gray, it's going to be green, light blue, green, white, light blue, and dark blue. Okay, so let's do that. You're going to select your layer, and you're going to resize the layer. Now to do that, you're going to unlock the layer. You're going to unhighlight this padlock, select the layer, and then you're going to resize that. You'll notice there you're seeing the transparent background. For those of you who know about creating PNG designs, or this is a great way to do designs and have your transparent background. So this is the first one. This color would be representing the gray, and I want to use a lime kind of green for that. Then we're going to be duplicating that layer. Move it over, and there we have another layer, but we're going to be changing that new layer to white because that's our next color. And then we're going to pull that to get the size that we want. Now for this one, we're going to duplicate again. I'm going to stick that there. And the next color is the light bluish blue. That one. We're going to duplicate this again. And the next color is our dark blue. And so there's the first panel of a pattern or colors that we've designed. Now to fix this, to ensure that it's all lined up, you're going to zoom the page a bit. Once you start zooming, you're going to notice a box at the bottom here. You're going to move the highlighter in that box to take you to the areas that you want to make changes to. So if you want to move that a little bit and fix that a little bit, and once you've had those colors done the way you want them, the next step is to just duplicate this pattern straight across. So let me show you to do one more, and then I'll speed it up for the rest. So the next one is we're gonna duplicate that. You can duplicate each more than once. This way you can bring the pattern across easily. Duplicate, so we duplicate each of them twice. 1, 2, and then we're going to create some patterns. So we're going to click on the first one. I'm going to take it across. It's very important before you do this to go back to your layers panel and ensure that all the padlocks are unlocked, because it's easier to edit when everything is open like that. So we had duplicated our white, so we're just going to take the white over. We duplicated the cayenne, we're going to take that over, and then we duplicated the blue, we're going to take that over. We duplicated them twice, so let's see, we're gonna take this one again. We're gonna take the white. We're gonna take the cayenne. And we're gonna take the dark blue. And so on and so forth. We're just gonna finish this. Just duplicate this one again. And there you go. So you carry the pattern straight across the page. You try to keep it as clean and neat as possible. And once you've done that, you're gonna want to export your design. You're either going to want to export your design to add additional design elements to it, or you're going to want to save it as is so you can print your paper and use it however you want to use it. For today's tutorial, I'm going to end right here, so I'm just going to save the paper and then to my account. You could save it to the highest resolution, normal, high, and highest. I saved it to the highest resolution, and I'm saving it as Harley's third. And once you've saved that, that's it. You have your digital paper. Now you could use this paper however you want in